Welcome to How to Create an Effective PowerPoint. When making a PowerPoint, you want to limit the use of bullet points, and if possible, don't use them at all. You don't want to use a lot of transitions or animations. If you're going to use them for bullet points, your best option is a simple wipe left to right. When you are choosing the theme of your PowerPoint, you do not want to use their options for a theme. You just want to use a simple solid color, texture, or pattern. For example, if you are presenting with the lights off, you will want a dark background with white font, and if you are presenting with the lights on, you will want a light background and dark font. If you are going to use images, you want to make sure they are high quality and not cartoons. Images help connect the audience with what is being talked about by the narrator, and videos can be good to use to show examples of the topic. There are four main types of charts you can use if you're showing data in your presentation. The pie chart shows percentages, the vertical bar chart shows changes in quantity over time, the horizontal bar chart is used to compare quantities, and the line chart shows results that occur over time. Make sure you use the proper one when you are presenting data to your audience. Make sure you test your presentation before you present it in front of your entire audience. Make sure you have plan A, B, and C just in case there are malfunctions. If necessary, you could have note cards when presenting, but make sure you aren't staring at them the entire presentation.